topic that we are going to look to a percentage. Before start solving a lot of problems in the percentage, let understand and the basic concept of solving in percentage. So first the name suggests percentage is which is nothing but percentage is per 100. So you denominator always be 100 in percentage. 10 percentage is equal to 10 by 100. Denominator is always 100. That was the main meaning of percentage. So what you call in a numerator here, numerator we call it as, numerator is 10, numerator is we call it as a rate percent. Let's couple of simple problems. The first question is what is 30 percentage? 30 percentage is nothing by written as 30 by 100. How can solve this? Yes, 0 cancel. To get the answer is 3 by 10. Then another question is 3 is what percentage of 60? They are asking 3 is what percentage of 60? Written it 3 by 60 into 100, which is nothing. 3 by 60 into 100, you got the answer 5 percentage. 3 is nothing but 5 percentage of 60. This is a basic concept in the percentage. Usually understand why are we dividing by 100. Let's understand another concept of convert percentage into fraction. Another method is fraction into percentage. So this next concept is, it's a very simple concept. So in percentage into fraction, what will you do? It's divided by 100. It's divided by 100. In the case of fraction into percentage, in multiplied by 100. In multiplied by 100. To understand the concept better, let's solve simple problems. What is the fraction of 20 percentage? 20 percentage. So they are asking to convert to 20 percentage. 20 percentage is simply written as 20 divided by 100. 0 cancel. 2 10. Answer is 1 by 5. Answer is 1 by 5. 20 percentage converted into 1 by 5. The fraction into percentage, that will be multiplied by 100. So they are asking us to convert 1 by 5 into percentage. What we do? Yes, 1 by 5 into 100. 5 cancel 100. To get the answer is 20 percentage. So in this case is converted into 20 percentage. Second part is there. You should first memorize from 1 by 1 to 1 by 10. So 1 by 1 nothing but 100 percentage. 1 by 2 is 50 percentage. 1 by 3 33.33 percentage. 1 by 4 25 percentage. 1 by 5 20 percentage. 1 by 6 16.66 percentage. 1 by 7 14.28 percentage. 1 by 8 12.5 percentage, and so on. 1 by 10 equal to 10 percentage. Where this is useful, let's have a question. You could be find its question in lot of aptitude examination. Let's go to example. What is 33.33 percentage of 180? You are a person, couldn't you know any one of these table? What you do? Find the elaborated method like 33.33 divided by 100 into 180. This is very elaborate method and it's very time consuming in case of aptitude exams. If you person who knows all this table by heart, you have directly used. Directly you know 33.33 percentage is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 of 180 is 1 by 3 into 180. It is simplified to get the answer is 60. Let's another problem. What is 14.28 percentage of 350? So instead of taking elaborate method like 14.28 divided by 100 into 350, you know 14.28 is nothing but 1 by 7 of 350 into 350. It's simplified to get this answer is 50. This is the main reason is knowing these things. It's very simple to remember. If you remember this, most of this percentage problem can be solved in 5 to 6 seconds. So let's understand other three basic problems you may face in percentage problem. The first concept is X is what percentage of Y? X by Y into 100. X by Y into 100. This is very basic problem to see any aptitude exam. Let's take simple example. To take 50 is what percentage of 100? That's nothing but 50 divided by 100 into 100. 100 cancelled. Answer is 50 percentage. Let's go to the next concept. That is a second type. Is nothing but X is increased by certain percentage. Then find the new value of X. To another common problem facing the percentage, how will do that? Let's take the example. X is increased by 50 percentage. We know 50 percentage is 1 by 2. So it's increased by 1 by 2 means 1 plus 1 by 2 of X. 1 plus 1 by 2. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by 2 of X is 3 by 2X is the answer. Let's understand the concept to the simple example. So X value, X equal to 200 and it is increased by 20 percentage. What is the new value of X? 20 percentage, nothing but 1 by 5. So it's increased by means 1 plus 1 by 5, nothing but 6 by 5 of X. X is 200, you know, 6 by 5 into 200, 200 cancelled 40 times, 6 into 40, answer is 240. The new value of X is nothing but answer is 240. Let's go to the next type. X is decreased by certain percentage. Let's go to the example. X is decreased by 50 percentage. We know that 50 percentage is 1 by 2. What will we do here? Is in increase by added. Here we have to subtract. So 1 minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 of X. This is the answer. Let's understand with the example. Some example we are taking here only change in X value decreased by 20 percentage. Question is this: X equal to 200 and is decreased by 20 percentage. What is the new value of X? 20 percentage is nothing but equal to 1 by 5. That from 1 minus 1 by 5 of X equal to 4 by 5 of X. We know that the value of X is 200. 4 by 5 into 200, it's a simplified to get this answer is 160. 160 is the answer. In today's video, we discussed the basic concept of percentage and the basic type that follows the percentage problem. In the upcoming video, we will discussing about the lot of tough problems according to the topic of percentage.